Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are diving into the essential principles of privacy management as outlined in ISO 27701, the International Standard for Privacy Information Management Systems, PIMS. Privacy management has become increasingly crucial in our digitally driven world, with the need to protect personal information more pressing than ever. The first key principle of privacy management under ISO 27701 is accountability and governance. This principle emphasizes the importance of establishing clear accountability for privacy management within an organization with defined roles, responsibilities, and processes. It involves the commitment of top management to ensure that privacy policies and procedures are in place, effectively communicated, and regularly reviewed and updated. Privacy by design and default is another fundamental principle highlighted in ISO 27701. This principle requires organizations to integrate privacy considerations into the design and development of products, services, systems, and processes from the outset. By implementing privacy-enhancing measures by default, organizations can minimize the collection and processing of personal data and mitigate privacy risks proactively. Data minimization is a core principle of privacy management that emphasizes the importance of limiting the collection, storage, and processing of personal data to what is necessary for the intended purpose. ISO 27701 encourages organizations to adopt practices that ensure data is adequate, relevant, and not excessive in relation to the purposes for which it is processed. This principle helps reduce privacy risks and enhance individuals' control over their personal information. Transparency and openness are essential principles for building trust with individuals whose data is being processed. ISO 27701 requires organizations to be transparent about their privacy practices, providing clear and easily accessible information about how personal data is collected, used, disclosed, and protected. This principle emphasizes the importance of clear and concise privacy notices, consent mechanisms, and communication channels for individuals to exercise their privacy rights. Respect for individual rights is at the core of privacy management. ISO 27701 requires organizations to respect and uphold the privacy rights of individuals, including the right to access, rectify, erase, or restrict the processing of their personal data. This principle emphasizes the need for organizations to establish procedures for handling privacy-related inquiries and requests from individuals in a timely and transparent manner. In conclusion, the key principles of privacy management outlined in ISO 27701 provide a robust framework for organizations to establish and maintain effective privacy information management systems. By adhering to these principles, organizations can build trust with stakeholders, mitigate privacy risks, and demonstrate compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Thank you for your attention, and I welcome any questions or discussions on this important topic. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.